Hey, Ivy here. Today, let's dive into how you can use AI to create a simple meal plan for the week. Meal planning can feel like a big task, especially when you have a busy schedule, but AI is here to help make it easier and more fun. Imagine having an AI tool that knows your favorite foods and dietary preferences. It can suggest recipes that fit your taste and nutritional needs. This means you can enjoy meals that are not only delicious, but also good for you. Using AI for meal planning doesn't stop at just picking recipes. It can also help you organize your grocery list. How many times have you gone to the store and forgotten something important? With AI, you get a list that includes everything you need for the week, making your shopping trips quicker and less stressful. Plus, by buying only what you need, you help reduce food waste, which is great for the environment and your wallet. AI can also introduce you to new dishes you might not have tried otherwise. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you like and is always ready with new ideas. You can explore different cuisines and flavors without having to spend hours searching for recipes online. This variety keeps meals exciting and can even help you discover new favorite foods. Another great thing about using AI for meal planning is the time you save. Instead of spending hours each week figuring out what to eat, you can have a plan ready in minutes. This gives you more time to enjoy cooking and eating with family and friends. Plus, knowing what's for dinner each night takes away the stress of last-minute decisions. So, why not give AI a try in your kitchen? It's a simple way to make meal planning more efficient and enjoyable. Embrace the ease and creativity AI brings to your kitchen. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting AI tip. See you then.